So we wanted to talk about muscle testing. That's something that a lot of people have problems with. And rather than standing up right now, I do give you instructions on how to do it while standing, but since I'm used to doing it, I can do it while sitting, so you can get the same general idea. The main thing to remember is to reset your polarity first and to ground yourself. So reset your polarity. I just simply balance, look like I'm balancing, and then I ground myself, usually 3 times for the polarity. Ground myself, same thing, going down, grounding, grounding, grounding. It doesn't usually take me that long now, since I'm used to doing it. But so then once you've grounded and you've reset your polarity, you want to double check to see how you test out. So what I'm going to ask is to show me a yes, and you'll watch my body as it just moves forward just slightly. And this is all not led by me. And so now show me a no, and so I go backwards, show me a maybe. And that's kind of how I did it. And I noticed that over time, that every now and then I get this kind of going to the other side, to the left side. And it took me a little while to figure out what that meant was that it's kind of like needs more information, or maybe it's a yes, but not right now. And so it took me a little while to figure that out. And your other is what I call it, needs more information, other, maybe a little bit different. But for me, it is yes to go forward, no backwards over here for maybe. The yes and no should always be the same for everybody. The maybe, you may find something different for you. Okay, so I asked myself, show me a yes, and I got a yes. Okay, so I know my polarity is reset. I wish I had tested before so that I could have checked to see if when it was off and shown you how it changes when I just do the hand motion. So so now that I'm grounded and my polarity set, I can once again, for you, if you're standing, it's a little easier to learn. Stand with your feet apart. Be comfortable. Make sure you drink some water first, and just ask, show me a yes, and you will find your whole body will move forward. Show me a no. Show me a maybe. And then, as I said, show me other or needs more information. I never go very quickly over there. One thing I have noticed is some things that are really yes, you'll find me go, wah, and no's the same thing. I'm kind of thrown backwards. So it just takes time. And I know there's some people who do the hand test. Some people do the arm motion and they let somebody else push down on their arm. I don't like those because I feel like it's a lot easier to get tired quickly, and then you get bogus answers. So when you're muscle testing, one thing, if you notice all of a sudden you're getting mixed answers, then you want to go ahead and reset your polarity and reset your grounding. Sometimes we get, someone doesn't want us to get the right answers, so we may find ourselves getting bumped off a little bit. But that's the general way to do muscle test, and you can read in your slide exactly how to do it. Practice is what makes perfect. Don't worry about your answers at first. Don't worry about being wrong. Ask questions that you already know the answers to, so that you can kind of train yourself to be comfortable with muscle testing. And it doesn't take you long. And it's an important part of kind of getting a second witness when you're doing any kind of research and asking questions and looking for formulas and so forth.